Let's go do a cold start. There's the new RT. Here's the Aprilia. Here's the Aprilia. I do keep it on a battery tender. It's plugged in there in that mess. Okay, cold start. Let's see. This is exhaust pipe. Pretty cool. Down below is the H pipe. No more bread box, so I'm down on the floor. That is a cold exhaust right there. Let's open up this garage door. Okay, let's fire it up. Key is in it. Key is on. And let's crank it. It runs a little bit rough at first. It's got to warm up. Sounds a little lopey right now, but as it warms up it will really run more smoothly. Notice the LED running lights. The turn signals now function as running lights with the Nissan signal minder. Turn signals are also self-canceling turn signals now with the Nissan signal minder, and the brake light is a flashing brake light. Let's see if we can get a little bark out of this exhaust. does have brand new Michelin tires. Let's take it for a spin.